Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Acid strength, Ka, increases as the stability of the conjugate base, carboxylate anion, increases. Electron withdrawing groups, EWGs, stabilize the conjugate base by dispersing negative charge, thereby increasing Ka, lowering pKa. The closer and more numerous the EWGs, the stronger the inductive effect. Step 1. Compare the structures. A. Acetic acid, CH3 the methyl group is weakly electron donating. pKa 4.76. B. Dichloroacetic acid, Cl2 to chlorine atoms are directly on the alpha carbon adjacent to Cu. Chlorine is strongly electron withdrawing by induction. Two Cl atoms provide a powerful combined inductive effect very close to the carboxyl group. pKa 1.48. C. 4. Iodocyclohexane, 1. Carboxylic acid, iodine is at the 4 position, para, on the cyclohexane ring, far from the Cu group. Iodine is a weak EWG by induction, large, polarizable, but poor inductive transmitter over distance. pKa 4.6 to 4.8. D. 4. Chlorocyclohexane, 1. Carboxylic acid, chlorine at C4 also remote from Cu. Chlorine is a better inductive EWG than iodine, but the distance, 4 bonds away, greatly attenuates the effect. pKa 4.4 to 4.5. Step 2. Rank acid strengths. Dichloroacetic acid, B, has two strongly electron-withdrawing Cl atoms directly on the alpha carbon, providing the greatest stabilization of the conjugate base and the highest Ka among these options. Options C and D have a single halogen far from the acid group, so their inductive effects are minimal. Option A has no EWG at all. Step 3. Why other options fail? A. Acetic acid, methyl is electron donating, weakest acid here. C. 4. Iodocyclohexane, 1 Cu, 1 EWG, remote, weak effect. D. 4. Chlorocyclohexane, 1 Cu, 1 EWG, remote, slightly stronger than C or A, but far weaker than B. B. Dichloroacetic acid, to Cl atoms alpha to Cu gives the lowest pKa, highest Ka. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.